What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Gennell and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a how I do my eyebrows everyday type of thing. These brows right here, nothing, doing too much, real simple, real cute. So if you want to learn how to do your eyebrows or you just want to know how I do mine, then keep watching and let's just get right into the video. Okay, don't mind my septum. I don't know what happened to the little ball. It fell out in my sleep and I had to order some new ones today, which will come in tomorrow. So, just a disclaimer. But anyways, I have all my products laid out before me today because y'all know last time I had no products. Like when I do my videos and stuff, like makeup and stuff, I never have anything laid out and prepared. But this time, I'm prepared. So let's just get right into it. Okay, y'all. So first things first, y'all already know the Miss AOA Wonder Brow brow pomade in black. And I take this little spoolie situation and I'm looking at my mirror down here. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer, so oops. But basically what you want to do, I brush my eyebrows up first. I really need to get them done, but the last time they waxed them too thin for me, so I'm trying to let them get back to their thickest of potential. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take the pomade and dip in there. And I always start towards the arch of my brow. And I kind of just make my little angle. And I kind of go with like the natural shape of how my brows look when they're done. So then I just draw the front outline. And this is just a rough draft. And then you want to brush more in the direction of the shape so you can kind of see how the brows are going to look and how they're going to, lay. And then I start at the tail and work my way up. Okay, so this is what we're looking like with them kind of filled in, and then I'm just going with my spoolie and blend a little bit more. And then now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Like I said the last time, I have no idea what the color of this is. I can't tell you. So you're gonna have to figure that out on your own, whatever works for you. But it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And I just go in and sculpt my brow with a small concealer brush. And compared to my last video, this is like a concealer shade that's closer to my skin tone because I'm not doing a full face today. So this will literally blend into nothing. And so after I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my bigger concealer brush and blend everything in. And depending on how thick my eyebrow hairs are growing, I'll do 2 layers of this. So we'll see what happens. So boom. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend this out a little bit more. Boom, it basically really looks like nothing. Period. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Why me crack it, why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy, that Superman? Now why me you crack that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crack it, why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy, that Superman? Now why me you crack that soldier? Now why me you? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I have officially hit 100 subscribers, and I'm super duper excited and very happy and very much grateful for everyone who's supporting me, everyone who always reposts my stuff and watch my videos, and just thank you for all the love, and I can't wait to continue to grow my channel. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.